Good morning everyone. How are you all? Last class we completed the topic will be learning multiplication facts. Okay, from page number 15. Now today our new topic is using multiplication facts. Using multiplication facts. Okay, means we have to use a different concepts here. What is expression? What is product? What is inverse? We'll explain it. First of all, we'll do the let's investigation question. Okay, what number goes in the circle to complete the puzzle? This one we need, right? So look at here. Here there are two types of circle. One is like a exactly like the circle. So 1, 4. This number we need, and one is like little bit reverse. So right, So check it first of all. When we multiply this one, so 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 1. Check it. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2, 1. Multiply. 2 multiply with 3 how much? 6. 6 multiply with 4 is 24. 24 multiply 1 is 24. So the middle answer is what? 24. Similarly, we will find the next number. So the next number is corners. Now this corners, 4 multiply by 1 is 4. 4 multiply by 6 is 24. So 24 multiply by 1 is 24. So what is the answer here? 1. Understand? So one more time. Now check it. Already we have this one. So 2 multiply by 3 is 6. 6 multiply by 4 is 24. 24 multiply by 1 is 24. So similarly 4 multiply by 1 is 4. 4 multiply by 6 is 24. 24 multiply by 1 is 24. So answer is what? 1. Now look at here. What is expression? What is expression? Now 4 plus 6 is an expression for 10. So you know that answer is 10. So when you will get the answer is 10, 4 plus 6 I wrote, right? An example, there is a lot of possible like 2 plus 8, 1 plus 9, 3 plus 7, all are 10. So this is called expression of the answer is 10. Okay, for the answer is 10. So 4 plus 6 is an expression for 10. And 2 multiplied by 7. We know that 2 7 is the what? 14. 14 is the answer. But this is also one expression between the number 2 and 7. Right? 2 multiplied by 7 equal to 14. Now product. What is the product? When you multiply any two numbers, the answer is called the product. So 5 9s are 45. So 45 is called product. What is inverse? What is inverse? Like here 8 multiplied by 7 equal to 56 and 56 divided by 7 equal to 8. That means opposite what? Multiply changes to division. So this is the inverse. So when I 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. When you come reversely, so 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. This is called inverse. Okay, and remember every time like this one, like this part is called horizontally, that means row, and this one is called vertically, that is column. Okay, the last concept multiple. What is multiple? Like multiple of 4 means 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That means the answers of the table. The answers of the table. Multiple means not multiplication, multiple. So suppose if I ask multiple of 2, what is multiple of 2? Answer. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, not table. The only answers. Okay. So similar. So here 2 multiplied by 9 equal to what? 18. So the answer is called multiple. If you want, you can say that this is 2 and 9 is called factors. When you go for the big classes, you understand 2 multiplied by 9. So these numbers are called factors, left hand side, and right hand side is called multiple. Now coming to the question here, question number 1. So here is said that there are different cars. Which expression can he use to find the total number of toy cars? So total toy cars how much? 15, but don't count it. You have to use the method. So always remember, if like this way, we have to first of all check that how many rows, always like horizontally. So how many rows are there? This is one row, second row and third row. Look at your number of rows is 3 and number of columns is 5. So whenever you want to multiply, rows multiply by column, row multiply by column. So 3 multiply 5 how much? 15. So which is the exactly correct answer? This one also possible. This is 5, this is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, wrong. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, wrong. So 5 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied. So more correct is 3 multiplied by 5. You can check it. This answer also possible. This answer also possible, but the more correct answer is 3 multiplied by 5. Both are same. You can write it both answer, but these two are wrong. Okay. Now the second one. What is the second one? Which two number sentences have the same answer? Have the same answer. So check it here. 2 multiplied by 8 how much? 16. You know that. Next 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 4 4 is 16. So which two answers are same? The first one and the last one. So that means these two number sentences are same. So these are the called number sentences. Okay, this is called what? Number sentence. Like 2, how you pronounce 2 multiplied by 8 equal to 16. So that is, this is sentence, but numbers, there are numbers, so that's why we call it as number sentence. Like this also, anything addition also, right? You know, like this one was 4 plus 6, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So this is what? Sentence. So there are numbers, so that's why it is called as number sentence. That's it. So now question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is easy. Use multiplication facts to help you answer the question. So Sara buys 3 bunches of bananas. How many bunches of bananas? 3. There are 6 bananas in each bunch. In each bunch, suppose 1 pen cost is 2 real. What is the cost of 3 pens? So 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, 1 pen cost is 2 real. What is the cost of 3 pens? 6 real to multiply. So here also 3 multiplied by 6 is 18 bananas. Similarly here, Ahmed paints 4 rows of animals. He paint 8 animals in each row. Again, one row is 8, so 4 rows how many? So 4 multiplied by 8 equal to 32 animals. Okay. Now the last question, look at here. Use each of the digits 3, 5, 7 and 0 to complete these statements. So these are 2 boxes. Is multiple of 5. Just now I said that just before we learn what is multiple of. Multiple means the answers, right? You know, greater than 50. That means should be more than 50. Is a multiple of 10 less than 50. So what is the multiple of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So less than 10. So look at here, which numbers I cannot use 50 because this is equal. I cannot use 70. So I can use 30. So 30, write it here. Okay, so remaining numbers is what? 7, 5, 7. So I cannot write 57. Why? Because if I write 57, if I write the answer is 57, 7 is in the ones place. So it is not multiple of 5. In a multiple of 5, the end number should be 0 or 5. Like 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 15, 5 4. That means the last number should be 5 or 20. So here is the 75. Okay. And your homework is page number 16, question number 3C. I hope you understand the best classwork. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.